Make a tortilla snack like this next time. It's very easy and it's delicious. Let's start our recipe today by cutting a tomato into slices. Now in a frying pan, I'm going to add half a tablespoon of butter, spread it all over the pan and let it melt. Now I'm going to add our tomato slices here on top of the melted butter, like this, all over the pan, and then I'm going to let them fry over low heat. Now in a small bowl, I have 5 whole eggs. I added salt to taste, black pepper to taste too, and I'll mix it. Friends, this recipe is very easy and practical to make for breakfast. It's a different snack that I'm sure you'll love. And if you like breakfast recipes, leave them here below. I love breakfast recipes. This way I will know that you like this type of recipe and I can bring more options for you here on our page. Now let's pour our beaten and seasoned eggs over our frying tomatoes, being very careful so that the tomato slices don't move out of place. Now let's let it cook a little. When it's at that point, we'll place a tortilla on top of our beaten eggs like this. So let's cover the pan and let it cook. After cooking our beaten eggs well, we will turn our snack on the other side. I will use the pan lid to turn it this way. It is very easy. I'm going to arrange our snack here in the frying pan with a spatula and see how delicious our snack is already, but it's going to get even better. I'm going to add a few slices of mozzarella cheese here. On top of our snack, the amount is to taste. I will also add a little oregano to give it a special touch of flavor. Now I'm going to turn off the heat and add our main ingredient. I'm going to add half a ripe avocado as the filling for our snack. I've already sliced my avocado here in the shell, so now just remove it from the shell and put it in our snack. Look how delicious. Now we're going to close our snack with the help of a spatula. We're going to press lightly and we're going to let our tortilla toast a little more here in the pan. I'm going to cover the pan and leave it for another 3 minutes to melt the cheese. Our snack is ready and look how delicious it was. I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces to make it easier to eat, and I'll tell you how it tasted. It was definitely delicious. The smell is incredible. Now I'm going to try it. It was incredible. This flavor is magnificent. I love avocado, and in this snack, the avocado added a spectacular touch. You can make this recipe at your home.